Hello to all my friends there in Saudi Arabia, in GNH. Hi and hello. I am already here in the Philippines and I'm safely landed. Namiss ko kayo. Mwah. Anyway, so what I'm going to do today is I will be going to unbox the latest iPhone.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, I will be going to have an unboxing on the latest iPhone 11 Pro. Let's see. So this is the item. For those who doesn't know, I bought this in Saudi Arabia. So this is the item, guys. I bought this in extra. Actually, nabuksan ko na to eh. Kaya ganito yung ano, pero binalik ko na lang. Sorry. So, binalik ko na lang. Ito yung item na. Ayan. So, I will be going to have an unboxing in this. So, tanggalin na natin yung case. Kinit ko lang talaga siya kasi I really wanted to vlog this. Ayan pala. But, diba? So, this is the item. Matte finished yung carton niya. Okay, so let's proceed. And to so this is the iPhone. And then check inside. Let's take it out. Bukas na siya kasi nabuksan ko na at ginamit ko na siya. Inside, there are manuals. Ito yun. Yung mga manuals niya. Yan, yung mga iPhone Surveillance. Tsaka yung sticker. Yan. And then, yung accessory niya. So, meron earphone. May earphone siya. And the charger itself. So, namangha lang ako sa charger. Kaya pala sinabi nila ng fast charger kasi yung receiver niya, ganito, hindi na siya gaya nung dati. Unlike before na parang malapad. Hindi ko alam kung anong Type-C. Type-C ata to. Kaya daw siya fast charging siya. This is what it looks like. So, this is how to be. Then you will just going to open. It's like open. So, there you go. Push and open. So let's proceed to the iPhone itself. Yan. I will be going to remove this one already. Then this is the first time that I've removed the sticker. Kaya ano na, bibilhan ko siya ng bagong casing tsaka screen protector mamaya. So this is the iPhone. Na-set up ko na din to. So sa camera ko na lang kayo papakitaan na. Okay? So this is the camera. Ayan. Ang bago lang naman sa kanya is yung wide angle lens niya. So ito yun. Ayan. So this is how it looks like. Sige, ipapakita ko talaga. So I will just be going to send the pictures in my laptop. So this is how it looks like. Sa regular. Tapos, ito yung 0.5. Tsaka ito yung times 2 na zoom. Yan. And the video, there are 3 lenses too. That includes 0.5. So this is the video of 0.5. And this is the video of times 1. And times 2. So, yun. Ang bago lang niya is yun yung slow motion na selfie. So, yun lang yung pwede kong ipakita sa inyo. And by the way, all of my friends asking me if I am okay and how was my flight. Everything was okay. So, don't worry. I am safe. Bye-bye.